अस्सलामुअलैकुम एवरीवन, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। आप लोग सब खैरियत से होंगे और मैं हूँ शगुफ्ता अली और वोकेशनल बैंक सदर में आपको वेलकम करते हैं। आज हम लोग एक कोई इन्फॉर्मेटिव वीडियो लेकर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हुए हैं और हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं कि 5 बेस्ट ग्राफिक डिज़ाइनर ऐप कौन सी ऐसी हैं जो बिगनर्स, जो बिल्कुल ही न्यू कमर है, दे डोंट हैव एन हाउ नाउ अबाउट द graphic software, so they can easily use and they can easily access all these apps. So let's start. At that time, if you don't like and subscribe my channel, so please like and subscribe now, and also press the bell icon for more notification. So now we are going to start the first app. So here is the first app, the Canva app. The best for social media graphics, presentation, posters and documents. Canva make it easy to create and share professional design whatever. If you're working on any platform, if you are working on freelancing or the Fiverr as well, so you can easily make on the basic level designing in this app. Move on the next app. So the next app is the Photoshop Express, all-in-one photos editor, design collages, make stickers and edit photos in this application. This is the light version. You can easily install in your Android app using a Play Store, so you can easily access out. Its name is Photoshop Express, Adobe Photoshop Express. So it's a light version and it's similar with the Adobe Photoshop, so you can easily access it out. Now move on the next, PixArt. So PixArt brings creativity into life, make collages, design stickers and remove the background as well. So you can do anything in this application. So we have a different types of template. If you want to edit it, you can easily sign in and free of cost access in all this app. So move on the next one is the Snapseed. So this is also the graphic designing software beginner app. So Snapseed is a complete and professional photo editor developed by Google. So Google designed this app and you can easily edit out, you can easily access out working on it. So move on, last on the list, we are taking the sketchbook. So this is called the best for sketching, painting and drawing. So if you want to sketch anything, if you want to draw anything, illustration, art, so you can easily use this. If you want to draw on, and if you are the drawing lover, so this app is best for you. So I hope you like all the apps. So if you still not subscribe and like my channel, so please subscribe first and like my video and also share this. So stay connected with me. Take care yourself. Allah Hafiz.